Come in.
Hello. My name's Maddie. I'm going to be your nurse today. Can I have a name and date of birth?
Isabel Hinojos, 2/26/2002.
All right, Isabel. I'm just coming in here to listen to your lungs. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. Okay. Deep breath. Deep breath again. Deep breath. All right, and now can I have you sit up so I can listen to your back?
Why?
I can hear your lung sounds in the back too.
Oh, okay. That's cool.
Yeah, here's a handout paper that shows where I can hear it if you want to look at it. All right. Deep breath. Another deep breath. Isabel, do you smoke?
No.
Okay. Deep breath.
Does it sound like I smoke?
No, it's just a question I like to ask. And one more deep breath. All right, everything sounds good. I'm gonna let you keep that handout paper. Your call light's right here. Did you need anything else? All right, give us a ring if you do, okay?
Can I get some water, please?
Yes, ma'am, I'll get that for you.